Hello! Tara, punta tayo ng Sungayan Grill. Sungayan Grill ay nasa Bolinao, Pangasinan at nasa Balingasay River. Ang Balingasay River ang pinakamalinis na ilog sa Luzon. Napapaligiran nito ng mangroves. Ang linis ng river, walang community o bahay sa paligid kaya napaka-relaxing. Sungayan Grill is about 20 minutes away from Cape Bolinao Lighthouse. They are open from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Meron silang pin sa Google Maps so madali lang siyang hanapin. Medyo may konting rough road lang na madadaanan papunta which is about 100 meters. They have a wide open parking space which is free of charge. The whole process from ordering to boarding and cruising is surprisingly organized. Pagpasok sa entrance, you will be greeted by the friendly staff ready to take your orders. Ito ang menu and price list ng River Cruise. They will provide an estimate time when your order will be served. Sa amin, they informed us that it will take 20 to 30 minutes pero it arrived earlier dahil weekday kami pumunta at wala masyadong tao. They have a waiting area, wash bins, and clean toilets. After boarding the balsa, the food are served fresh and warm. Ang sasarap. Tapos pag na-serve na lahat, hahatakin na yung balsa nyo ng isang maliit na bangka. If you're in Pangasinan and looking for something beyond the usual trip, Sungayan Grill is definitely worth the stop over. Ano, let's go na?